Hi guys, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. This morning I got up to see that we have 1,000 subscribers, and this is only in 2.5 months that the channel's been going. So clearly I'm doing something right. You guys are looking at things that you find useful and helpful, and that gives me a lot of joy. And I'm going to keep doing this. Trust me, I've got lots of nice surprises coming. Some things that I'll just whoop, oh, that's it. A few nice projects coming on, and hopefully we'll grow this channel. And please send me your comments and advice and things. I always try and respond. I read them all if I can, and I will respond where necessary. So please don't stop communicating with me. It's a two-way street. There's no point in me doing things that you won't like to see. But yeah, lots of good stuff coming on this channel as we grow it, as we develop, keep getting more sophisticated, and just fine-tune the content and the quality of the content. That is my goal, and that's what we will achieve. So thanks again to everybody. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.